So as a company, we say that the lifespan of an EMAS is 20 years. Okay. But in the 20 years, we encourage airports to be proactive in maintaining those EMASs. So as you maintain the EMAS, that you want to make sure that you do the right things that are necessary to ensure that the 20-year lifespan is going to be achieved, i.e. being proactive in maintaining your EMASs and working with us to get on a schedule to maintain them, to make sure that we're supporting you to answer the questions that you need, support you with the materials that you need, as well as training to make sure that the system's going to last to 20 years. Okay, so as the system begins to age and gets close to 20 years, there's a couple of things that we do to work with the airports to make sure that they have the right data that's necessary in order for them to make that decision. So we have what's known as a field strength test, where we will recommend that an airport between 3 to 5 years after a bed is installed, they participate with getting this test that's going to give them data points to basically understand how the bed is aging over time. So they'll get a series of these tests, and once again, it kind of connects the dots as far as the performance of the bed to make sure that it's trending the right way as far as the strength of the bed, moisture content, and the overall encapsulation of the bed.